Hi, I'm Ben Orford. I'm based in Herefordshire. I make a wide range of woodworking tools and knives. I make all the metalwork and the blades, and then my wife Lois does all the leather work, so we're a sort of team effort. There's only the two of us, so everything that we make is literally made either by my hands or Lois's hands. And we make everything from simple craft tools for spoon carving, so we make little partial Tang knives. So this is probably the smallest knife. This is an inch length blade, very small, very compact little knife for detail work. We also make simple little crook knives, which are a bent blade. These facilitate you being able to scoop out the bowl of a spoon, something like that. So the steel blades are made, I literally buy in the steel from Germany, and then we shape and heat and grind all these to various shapes and sizes, and then stick wooden handles on. These are mostly made out of elm, so it makes a beautiful hard wood with decorative grain. But our real passion is making the full Tang knives, so something like this, which has got an 01 tool steel blade with a polished finish, and this has got some exotic desert ironwood on this one, held together with brass loveless bolts, and then we've got colourful liners in there as well. So this is where my sort of passion for timbers and the sort of sculptural feel, so that the knife becomes almost like an extension of your hand really. And these will facilitate people being able to go out into the woods, prepare food, prepare materials for making shelters, making sort of traps and things like that, and even finer work for craft work. So we'll sell people knives that they want to carve spoons and spatulas, and even woodworkers. We made a knife similar to this for a chap the other day who was actually a woodworker, a joiner, and he wanted a whittler, and he wanted a piece of yew on it like this with the two-tone where you get this lovely sapwood and heartwood. And he was actually taking it off to Canada with him, where he was going to spend a week looking at killer whales and sitting on the beach carving driftwood. So for me, that's the real buzz, that I can make a tool that then enables somebody to have a sort of life-changing experience. And I might not go to those beaches, I might not go to those far-flung places in the world, but my tools go there, and Lois's leatherwork goes there, so we kind of feel like we go there in spirit. So yeah, the passion of all these lovely, beautiful timbers. Some are exotics. My real pleasure is using native British hardwoods. So yeah, we've got yew, we've got elm, we've got some incredible purple yew at the moment. So sometimes when you get iron deposits or steel deposits in yew trees, like worst case scenario, people have nailed a stock fence to a beautiful yew tree, you get this a crazy purple effect going to the heartwood. So we've got some amazing purple yew on some of these tools. So being able to utilise some of these small pieces of timber that would often be too small for furniture making, cabinet making, it means that we can turn them into heirloom quality products that will serve people in their trips into the wilderness and hopefully last them a lifetime and beyond really.